that coordinate geometry for class 9. What is that? Coordinate geometry, suppose we discuss about the direction. How the coordinate geometry starts. This is the east, west, north, south. If a person on this point, this is the point of intersection of east, west and north, south direction. If a person stands here and it moves towards east and it will stay suppose here. This point is towards the east. It is neither north direction nor south direction. So only it gives the east direction. Suppose this body, person or any object moves here, suppose 5 km. If this person moves 5 km, then I can say that is 50, because in the east direction it moves 5 direction. In 0 means there is no other directions here. But if a body moves in northeast direction, what will be? This is the northeast direction. In a northeast direction, suppose a body stands here or a man stands here. If the man stands here, then if you remark or you represent in a graph, what will you get? That is like this. This point means from initially point, that will suppose it 5 km. Then from this distance will go to the perpendicular distance, suppose 3 km. That means this point will be 5 and 3 km. That means this says from east direction it goes 5 km. From north direction it goes 3 km. So that the point is 5. Now from this direction coordinate geometry borrows. So this coordinate geometry is called the rectangular coordinate geometry. Rectangular coordinate geometry. Why it is called the rectangular? Let us discuss. Rectangular coordinate geometry means, suppose we draw an axis. Suppose this is x, this is x dash, y, y dash. X dash and y dash intersects at a point, suppose that is O, and that point O is called origin. O is called the origin, because on origin x is 0, y is 0. If we write in the order pair, if you write in order pair, this will be 0, 0. Order pair 0, 0 means x value 0, y value 0, that is called the order pair. So this is as origin. Now, suppose a body will start from x or x dash and that is y, y dash. This is the intersect at origin 0, 0. This total is called the rectangular. If you join this, so this makes it a rectangle. That is why it is called the rectangular coordinate system. In a rectangular coordinate system, there are some points I am going to discuss. Now, let us erase. X, x dash, y, y dash, origin. Here. This is called Q1. This one Q2, Q3, Q4. That is quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. X, x dash and y, y dash intersect at origin O. So it is divided into 4 parts. These 4 parts we can move from anti-clockwise direction, so that this is quadrant 1, this is quadrant 2, quadrant 3 and quadrant 4. Now, point 1. On x-axis, if anybody stands on x-axis, there is no value of y. So this point y is 0. On x-axis y is 0. So the point will be x 0, or if it comes to the negative direction, if this is origin, if you go to right side, that will be positive value. Origin, if you go to left side, that will be negative value of x-axis. So this is the origin. If you go move from right side, that will be positive. If you move from left side, this will be negative. So on the negative direction of x-axis, the point is minus x0. Similarly, point 2 on y-axis, there is no x values, that is x is 0. That is the y-axis. You move from y-axis, then the point will be 0y or 0 minus y, because 0 from top it is considered as a positive, 0 from its down it is positive or negative. That is 0y or 0 minus y. Number 3, on Q1, that means quadrant 1. In quadrant 1, suppose a point will be here, then it is the intersection of x and y plane, that is x and y plane. So this on Q1 means quadrant 1. Q stands for quadrant. Q stands for quadrant. Q stands for quadrant. So Q1 0y or 0 minus y. Now in Q1, that is x greater than 0, y greater than 0, that is plus plus. Q2 means second quadrant, that is plus plus quadrant. This is minus plus, this is minus minus, this is plus minus. X plus plus means x greater than 0, y greater than 0. Here x less than 0, y greater than 0. Here x less than 0, y less than 0. Here x greater than 0, y less than 0. This is the 4 quadrant distributor. So this quadrant is most important to remember and to plotting the points on the graph paper. So I am writing here Q1, this one, Q2, x less than 0, y greater than 0, that is minus plus. Q3, x less than 0, y less than 0, so that this is minus minus. And Q4, x greater than 0, y less than 0, that is plus minus. So the points are distributed in these 4 quadrants. These quadrants are most important. X greater than 0, y greater than is called positive quadrant, that is quadrant 1 plus plus. Q2, the second quadrant, minus plus, x negative, y positive. Q3, x less than 0, y less than means x negative, y negative. Q4 means x greater than 0, y less than 0, that is plus minus. So you distributed these the 4 points in the 4 quadrants where it is positive and where it is negative. Everybody written this one, write this. Now let me relax. Now there is another thing. Tell me, x-axis is called what? Now that is a note, write down. Note is x-axis. X-axis is called abscissa.
Go.
Now make a note. That is x coordinate is called abscissa. It's called the abscissa. Y coordinate is called ordinate. So x coordinate is called the abscissa, y coordinate is called the ordinate. When we will write the points on graph or points on coordinate geometry, always we write on order pair. Always write on order pair. That means xy is the That means x is equal to a and y is equal to. So you have to remember x coordinate is called the abscissa, y coordinate is called the ordinate, y coordinate ordinate order pair. We can write always in the right coordinate geometry in terms of order pair, that is x y is a b, that is x value is a and y value is a b. Y value is a b. Suppose we will write a point. Suppose we will write a point 2, 3. That means what is the value of 2, 3? That means x is 2, y is 3. So 2, 3 means x 2, y 3. On this way, we will now solve some problem. Let us solve a question. How to plot the points on the graphs. Let us discuss a question. Suppose we have given points 2, 3, 2, minus 3, minus 3, 2, minus 2, minus 3, 0, 2, 3, 0. The question is, write where the point lies, and plot on the graph, At first we have to tell 2, 3, 2 minus 3, minus 3, 2, minus 2, 3 lies on which point all this, and then we have to plot on the graph. Now the answer is, try to understand, 2, 3, the point 2, 3. 2, 3 means x is 2, y is 3, that is plus plus. So plus plus lies on quadrant 1, so this point lies on Q1. Similarly 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 means x2